Hello guys, this is Jason from JR Hardwood Floor Refinishing and Cleaning. At this time of the day, I'm here in the neighborhood, beautiful neighborhood in Parker. It's called La Pradera. So I came here, I visit this customer like 3 weeks ago. I did a consultation with him and explained all the process that he can do. I discussed with him because he wanted to do full refinishing, but I told him that also I can do a screen and recoat. So I explained to him both process, and in the same moment he booked in the spot a screen and recoat for this floor, which is a natural color. But anyway, I'm gonna flip it out the camera and show you guys where I'm at and also what I'm gonna be doing. Look at this, guys. This is a beautiful, beautiful neighborhood. Right now the temperature is around 33 degrees. It's a little chilly for sure, but the sun always is up here in Colorado. It's beautiful day. So anyway, guys, let me show you what I'm gonna be doing. All right, like I said, is a natural color. Look at this, the wear of the floor right here. You can see the fade because of the sunlight, but this customer, he doesn't want to go around all this room, so he was good, just that I'm gonna tape off this line over here and apply the polish, because anyway he's gonna leave the rock on the floor. So we are gonna be doing a screen and recoat until here, because that line is not gonna disappear totally. He's gonna camouflage a little bit but not disappear, because the only way that can be disappear is doing full sanding. But anyway, guys, look at this. The floor is wearing a lot. It hasn't been treated for a long time. So it's about 800 square feet that we have. Let me show you. There is a restroom here that is not really in bad shape. A small closet right here. You can see, guys, that is wearing off the floor. Another closet here. So with this kind of floor, one of the things that I can do is be aggressive with my abrasion on the floor, and this floor is gonna look so much better after I do the screening, color correction in all those spots. And of course it's gonna look so much better, because like I always said, I tell my customer that I guarantee an improvement between 50–80% of my job. So for sure this floor is gonna look so much better. Here is the kitchen. As you can see, it's wet enough. I already have my buffer here almost ready to start do the abrasion, and stay tuned, guys, to see the result. All right, guys, we're here coming back to show you how this floor is gonna look. Right now I'm cleaning a tag, and you can see after a very good abrasion of the floor, very aggressive, because this floor need to do aggressive abrasion because they were wearing out. So look at this, how it's gonna look, this floor, after I put the finish. And also, it's gonna look even better because I'm gonna add it to my polish, some product that I normally use to enriching it, to reach the color of the floor, which is this. Look at this. And also the polish that I'm gonna be used, this one, H2O, is amazing for this kind of floor. Revive and look so much better. So I'm gonna be applying one coat with that one to give more color to the floor and look so much better, and then the other polish, which is two component, and it's gonna seal everything to the final coat. So stay tuned, guys. Look at that. All right, guys, look at how this floor is looking right now. This is the first coat with H2O, and look at how it's looking so far. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm about to finish here the first coat, let it dry, and come back to apply the second one. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back here to the home to check it out after the first coat. How is everything? You can conserve with your socks, no issues. Yep.
Okay.
And look at this. Oh my gosh. How this floor looks so far. Beautiful, beautiful. With all the corrections that I did on the floor. The areas where it was wearing off, it looks so much better. Look at this. You can barely can see that over there. And here, look at that. Oh wow, such a big improvement. What do you think? What do you think, sir?
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah, right.
Almost like it was new.
And it's still drying, you know. Now, after I apply, of course, the second coat, it's gonna be more protected, and it's gonna look so much better. But that is the sheen that you are gonna get, the satin sheen.
Yeah, no, that looks good.
Yeah. And did you see here the correction? I could improve even more.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't look nearly as worn now, so
Yep.
good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know, what do you recommend cleaning this with?
Yeah, I always recommend to the customer the same neutral cleaner that I use to do clean attack, which is a squeaky. So I will send you the link or show you the product that you can buy on Amazon.
Okay.
Just to use that neutral cleaner, flat mop, and that's it.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Super.
All right, yeah, he looks great. He looks great, guys.
Yeah, it does.
All right, guys, I'm gonna prepare the polish to apply the second coat. After that, I will be leaving. So you will see the pictures after the result. So stay tuned, guys.